Hi, I'm Udayan. I'm one of the founders of Volta Labs. At Volta, we make semiconductor chips that allows for exponential growth in automation in the biological industry. Every year, and for the next 50 years, the scale and complexity of biological automation is going to increase massively. A good example of this is the genomic sequencing industry. Since the first human genome was sequenced about 15 years ago, the capacities to sequence genomes and the possible applications have been doubling every year. And this trend will continue at least for another decade. If we are to support this kind of exponential growth only with today's technology, a biological factory of the future will be built from massive number of pipes, valves, and tubes. This is not a future that we want. These mechanical machines are massively expensive. They're difficult to manufacture at scale and use large amounts of reagents. And reagent volumes are one of the major drivers of cost in any biological application. One of our customers spends more than $1 million just in reagents every single day. We need a new way to create and scale biological workflows. So at Volta, we've been looking at using semiconductor chips to move tiny volumes of biological samples and reagents to automate entire biological workflows. In addition to just moving liquids, we've started to develop some advanced capabilities that allows us to purify DNA, proteins, run enzymatic reactions, and using optical sensors to collect all sorts of data and perform quality control. So this sort of an approach allows us to eliminate all the mechanical moving components in any of the current liquid handling technologies, and we can manufacture at scale with semiconductors. Now, we can now really start to think about biological automation not as a hardware problem, but as a software stack. So we're currently working with two of our customers, both requiring large-scale liquid handling automation. In each of their facilities, these customers transfer about 100,000 liquids every single day. And Volta is looking to help them scale and cut cost and turnaround times. And we're also exploring some new industries which are exciting to us, which are at similar scale. For example, DNA data storage. And currently, Volta is raising seed capital. So if you're an investor or interested in partnering with us, please come talk to us. So we are Volta, building the platform for biological foundries of the future. Thank you.